Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Jodel account. First of all, launch open Jodel application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Jodel application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find the options for creating the account. You'll be able to see the option for Google over here. If you tap on the option other options, you'll be able to find the option for login with email or other option available. So what you have to do is simply tap on the option that you would like to use in order to create the account. Here I'm just going to tap on this option login with email. If you also selected the option for email, what you have to do is enter your email address over here. So simply provide your email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. After you do that, tap on this option send magic link that you can see on the screen. Now a magic link will be sent to your email. What you have to do is open the Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into that account. You can see over here Jodel has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find this option for sign in to Jodel. Tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your email has been confirmed. In order to continue, you'll have to allow the location. So tap on this option allow location that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option while using the app. Now you'll have to select the gender. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, enter your age. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Likewise, what you have to do is simply tap on the user group that describes you the best. You'll be able to find the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Jodel account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.